Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're driving north on US Highway 63, beginning in Fulton County, Arkansas. This will be the last video in this series in Arkansas. We'll be crossing the state line into Missouri shortly. As we've seen throughout much of this trip, this highway has a 2+1 lane configuration to allow passing, especially on uphill portions, although we really haven't seen any steep grades despite the fact that we're in the Ozark Mountains. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We enter the city of Mammoth Spring, which had an estimated population of 960 as of 2019. Located at the head of the Spring River on the Arkansas-Missouri border, the city of Mammoth Spring has always depended upon the large naturally flowing spring of the same name for its existence. The town started as a railroad stop, bringing visitors and much-needed goods to Fulton County during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Mammoth Spring residents also harnessed the strong current of the Spring River to bring electricity and industrialization to the Ozark foothills. Although the factories are gone and the train depot is now a museum, Mammoth Spring continues to attract new citizens and tourists. Mammoth Spring is known for its state park and the Mammoth Spring National Fish Hatchery, which raises trout. Its easy access to the Spring River encourages canoeing and fishing. Mammoth Spring also continues to hold a century-old festival every year in August. The Soldiers, Sailors, and Marines Reunion began as a tribute to Civil War veterans in 1890 and was called the Blue and Gray Reunion for many years. Mammoth Spring also holds a solemn Old Judge Day festival on Labor Day weekend in honor of George D. Hay, founder of the Grand Ole Opry. These festivals were canceled in 2020 due to the fear that the large crowds wouldn't be able to adequately keep their social distance. We cross the state line into Missouri, entering Oregon County in the city of Thayer. A post office called Thayer has been in operation since 1884. The community has the name of Nathaniel Thayer, a railroad promoter. Thayer is considered a railroad town as it was laid out in 1882 to be a division point. At the turn of the 20th century, 400 railroad men lived in Thayer. Oregon County was organized in 1845 and named for the Oregon Territory in the northwestern United States. Home to a large area of the Mark Twain National Forest, Oregon County contains more national forest acreage than any county in the state of Missouri. It also contains the Irish Wilderness, the largest federally protected wilderness area in the state. Hiking, backpacking, and horseback riding opportunities abound on the Ozark Trail and the Whites Creek Trail. Canoeing, kayaking, john boating, and fishing are popular on the 11 Point River, which is Missouri's only national wild and scenic river. Oregon County had an estimated population of 10,541 as of 2018. We conclude this video here as we leave the city of Thayer. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.